Good day, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we will be discussing week 3 lesson.
Solving real-life problems involving LCM and GCF of given numbers. Let's review first. What are the steps in solving word problems? Read and analyze this sample word problem. Observe how it is solved using the 4-step plan. There are 2 bells in the school. The bell 1 is for the grade 1 to 3 while the bell 2 is for the grade 4 to 6. The bell 1 ring once every 30 minutes and the other bell at every 50 minutes. If they will ring together at 7 a.m., what time will they ring together for the recess?
What is asked in the problem?
The time the bell will ring together for the recess.
What are the given facts?
Bell 1 ring once every 30 minutes, and bell 2 rings every 50 minutes.
How are we going to solve the problem?
By finding the LCM.
How is the solution done?
It can be through listing method. List down the multiples of 30 and 50, and then find the least common multiple. Therefore the LCM is 150. It can also be through prime factorization. Get all the prime factors of 30 and 50, and then multiply the prime factors to get the LCM. And it can also be solved through a model or illustration. We can conclude from the illustration that both bells will ring again at 9:30 a.m. Now, let's start practicing with learning task 1. Solve the following problem using the 4-step plan. Continue answering learning task 2. And finally, do learning task 3. Now it's time to check your work.
You did a great job. Congratulations!
Don't forget to like our videos and click the subscribed button for more updates.